5 hidden costs you should consider when selling your home on your own. You may think that selling your home without an agent will save you a lot of money, but there are some hidden expenses that you should be aware of. First and foremost, you'll need to invest in quality marketing materials to showcase your home effectively. This includes professional photos, which capture the best angles and lighting to make your home stand out. You may want to also invest in creating captivating listing or virtual tour videos that can help potential buyers visualize themselves living in the space. These media assets are super important these days since buyers spend a lot of time looking online and make decisions about whether to view a property after just a few seconds. Secondly, you'll need to list your property on popular real estate websites where most buyers begin their home search. While some platforms let you list for free, others charge fees for their services. These fees can vary depending on the website's exposure and the additional tools they offer, such as analytics and promotional features. Be prepared to budget for these costs to reach a wider audience. Number 3, when it comes to hosting open houses, you'll need proper signage and promotional materials, custom yard signs, directional signs, and even balloons to grab the attention of passerby. Additionally, preparing brochures or flyers with your home's information and photos for potential buyers to take home is essential. These additional expenses can add up quickly, so it's vital to factor them into your decision. Number 4, legal fees are another major cost when selling your home on your own. Hiring a real estate attorney to review contracts, draft or revise documents, and help navigate legal requirements can be pricey, but it's necessary to ensure a smooth transaction. Their expertise can also help you avoid potential legal pitfalls and protect your interests during negotiations. Number 5, finally, consider the time investment involved in selling your home without an agent. The process can be time-consuming, and you'll need to research the local market, price your home accurately, schedule showings, and negotiate with potential buyers. This commitment may take you away from your work or personal life, personally costing you time and money. So before deciding to sell your home on your own, make sure you weigh these hidden costs and determine if it's the right choice for you. If you found this information helpful, be sure to follow us for more insights in the world of real estate. If you would like a complimentary home analysis to see if you have it priced right, reach out to me, Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, broker by eXp Realty, at 763-257-7231, or email julie@vikingshomes.com.